Hello friend, welcome to Study Further. Welcome to our channel. Today I discuss the most important topic, that is translation. Translation is a very important topic of the bio का बहुत ही important topic होता है ट्रांसलेशन। आप किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर हो, दिस वीडियो बहुत ही यूजफुल होने वाली है आपके लिए। वीडियो को अच्छे से याद करिए एवं लास्ट में मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए आप मोस्ट 20 MCQ से कितना स्कोर किया है। टुडे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the translation? Translation is a process where the protein synthesis from rRNA. तो rRNA to protein, option C the right answer. Next question, during the elongation of the polypeptide chain in translation the sigma factor is, in the protein synthesis 3 step, initiation the start, elongation where the protein synthesis growth, then the growth, and last is the termination. In the during the elongation polypeptide chain is sigma factor release, and again the active the another RNA polymer. So option B is the release and to take part again. Option B is the right answer. Next question, the start signal in mRNA for protein synthesis. The start signal the mRNA protein synthesis. Option A AUG, which code the methionine amino acid. Next, which of the following type of the RNA molecule is essential for the protein synthesis? mRNA is essential for the protein synthesis because mRNA, a gene or a cistone is transcribed from the mRNA, which consists the non-coding and coding part. mRNA right answer. Next question, what is the correct sequence of process of the involve the central dogma? According to F.H. Crick, the formation flow one direction from DNA to mRNA, mRNA to protein, DNA to DNA replication, and DNA to RNA transcription, RNA to protein translation. Option A is the right answer. Next, protein synthesis takes place on ribosome. Option B C is the right answer. Next question, any amino acyl tRNA synthetase is responsible for joining an amino acid to tRNA. Option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Next, coat of mRNA and proteins are collinear. Option A is the right answer. Next, during protein synthesis of protein coat for transfer by mRNA, because mRNA is the important. mRNA is a consists the non-coding and non-coding part. Option C the right answer. Next question, synthesis of peptide bond is catalyzed by tRNA, transfer RNA. Next, the number of amino acyl tRNA synthetase is determined by a number of utilized amino acids. Option C is the right answer. Next, type of the RNA polymer required in nucleus of eukaryotic of RNA synthesis. Three types of RNA polymer require the eukaryotic in RNA synthesis. Option C is the right answer. This question mainly transcription types. Next, protein synthesis is any animal cell occurs. Protein synthesis in animal cell occurs in ribosome present in cytoplasm as well as mitochondria. Option D is the right answer, because mitochondria contain its own set of ribosomes which are synthesize the protein. So protein synthesis occurs both mitochondria and cytoplasm. Next, A genetic unit that codes for amino acid sequence of a complete functional polypeptide could be termed as histone. Genetic unit codes the amino acid sequence, that is histone. Option D is the right answer. Next question. During the translation initiation of prokaryotes, a GTP molecule need in association of 3S ribosome with formyl meet tRNA. Option C is the right answer. Next, amino acid sequence in protein synthesis is decided by the sequence of mRNA. Option C, mRNA. Next, formal methionine tRNA present in bacteria. Option B is the right answer. Next, activation of any amino acid during protein synthesis requires the participation of specific molecules of tRNA. The activation of amino acid is attached to tRNA molecule at 3' end. Next, in the protein synthesis, tRNA carrying the initiation amino acid enter in which site of ribosome. tRNA carrying initiation enter the site where the ribosome attach the P site. Option B is the right answer. And today last question. Initiation of protein synthesis from most eukaryotic mRNA require both polypeptide A tail and 5 capping. Option D is the right answer because endonuclease are cutting the mRNA chain. In this causes the polypeptide tail and 5 capping is needed. And